So students, I am going to teach you class 9 science first chapter, matter in our surrounding. First topic is physical nature of matter and its subtopic is matter is made up of particles. So here we are going to perform an activity, and from that activity we will prove that matter is made up of particles. So we will say an activity like we will take a beaker. In this beaker we will take water. This is water, and in this beaker we will stir or dissolve some salt. We will dissolve some salt. After dissolving, we will stir this salt into this water, and the salt particles will get disappear after stirring. This happens because the particles of water have spaces between them. These are water particles like this. They have spaces between them. These are the spaces. And the salt particles enter into these spaces of water. These spaces of water. And so the salt particles get disappeared. So from this experiment we can prove that matter are made up of particles, and this salt get sprayed throughout the water particles. Now our second subtopic is how small are these particles of matter. Suppose we will take a beaker here. In this beaker we will pour 100 ml of water, and into this 100 ml of water we will add 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate. Due to adding of 2 to 3 crystals of potassium permanganate into this water, this color will turn violet. So again we will take a new beaker. Here we will have clear water. This clear water will be of 90 ml. Clear water. This will be of clear water. From this beaker we will take 10 ml of this mixture and pour into this clear water. Then this will also turn violet. From this experiment we can prove that the small crystals of potassium permanganate can colors a large volume of water up to 1000 liter, and we can also conclude that there may be millions of tiny particles in just one crystal of potassium permanganate, which keep on dividing themselves into smaller and smaller particles. So if we again repeat this process, again take 10 ml, again pour into another beaker of 90 millimeter clear water, again that beaker will turn violet. So we can prove that small crystal contains tiny particles which can color a large volume of water. So this is the two topic we have discussed further. Rest we will discuss in the next video. Okay, thank you.